JEE Main July 2021 questions from parabola. So we have two questions at present. A parabola whose vertex is at 2 units distance from origin on positive x-axis, and distance between focus and origin is 4 units. Tangents are drawn from origin to the parabola to meet at P and Q. Then area of triangle OPQ we need to calculate. See, first of all, you just think about the position of parabola in coordinate system, in coordinate plane. See, you just consider this as x-axis. So somewhere you just fix origin. This is origin. As the question is saying, parabola whose vertex is at 2 units distance from origin on positive x-axis. That means origin నుంచి 2 units distance లో vertex ఉంది. అది కూడా left side కాదు, right side, because on positive x-axis. So we need to move 2 units distance right side. Okay, so this distance is 2 units. And we know this coordinates are 2, 0. And distance between focus and origin is 4 units. Since it is origin దగ్గర నుంచి 4 units distance లో focus ఉంది. So if this is S whose coordinates are 4, 0. So origin to vertex is 2 units, origin to focus is 2 units. That in turn represents that vertex to focus is also 2 units. So vertex to focus is also 2 units. Now if we sketch the parabola, so since it is vertex and it is focus, this is the rough sketch of the parabola. Okay, and vertex to focus distance is 2 units. In the same way, vertex to origin is also 2 units. So line passing through origin perpendicular to axis is just acts like directrix. So this line is directrix. Now the question is about tangents are drawn to the parabola from origin to meet at P and Q. See, 2 tangents are drawn from this origin to the parabola. If you sketch 2 tangents from origin to the parabola, since origin is a point on the directrix, then for sure, as we learnt, these 2 tangents are perpendicular. Okay, from every point on the directrix, if we draw 2 tangents, angle between those 2 tangents is 90 degrees. So those 2 tangents are perpendicular, and these 2 tangents are meeting parabola at P and Q. Our task is to find the area of triangle OPQ. And since origin is there on the directrix and tangents are perpendicular, so these P and Q are simply nothing but end points of the lattice vector. So now it is easy to identify the coordinates of P and Q also. For this P as well as for Q, for both the points, x coordinate is 4 units only. We need to calculate y coordinate. So for that, first of all, we need to write the parabola equation. From this, what is the equation of parabola? Vertex is 2, 0 and the parabola is rightward. So it is of the form y square is equals to 4ax. So y square is equals to 4a into x minus 2. And what we say about this 4a? Usually distance from vertex to focus is a, so that is 2. So here we need to replace a also with 2. So this is the equation of parabola as per the given information. Y square is equals to 4 into 2 into x minus 2. Now at x is equals to 4, what we say about y? At x is equals to 4, y square is equals to 4 into 2 into 4 minus 2, that is again 2. That means y square is equals to 16 and y is equals to plus or minus 4. Since y is equals to plus or minus 4, coordinates of P 4, 4, x is 4, y also 4, coordinates of Q 4, minus 4. Now our task is to find this area. So area of this triangle OPQ, this total length is base. See, this length is 4, this length is 4, total length is 8. As well as distance from origin to this focus is 4. So area is half, base is 8 and height is 4. So as you calculate, it is 16 square units, that is the area. Okay. So as per the information, just try to sketch or try to find the equation of parabola. From there, area of the required triangle is 16 units. Okay, that's the problem. Next problem. Tangent and normal are drawn to y square is equals to 2x at 2 comma 2. Tangent intersects on x-axis at P and normal at Q. Then we need to find out the area of triangle PAQ. First of all, we need to calculate what? Tangent equation for this y square is equals to 2x, so that we need to find P. So for y square is equals to 2x at the point 2 comma 2 as given. For y square is equals to 2x, if you differentiate, see for y square it is 2y into dy by dx is equals to 2 and dy by dx is equals to 1 by y. Since dy by dx is equals to 1 by y, therefore what is slope of tangent? So slope of tangent for the parabola at the point A, whose coordinates are 2 comma 2. So y coordinate is 2. Slope of tangent is 1 by 2. Since the slope of tangent is 1 by 2, it is clear that slope of normal is minus 2. Now we need to find out equation of tangent. Equation of tangent, coordinates are 2 comma 2, slope is 1 by 2, y minus 2 is equals to 1 by 2 into x minus 2. That is equation of tangent. And what is equation of normal? See, we are just sketching normal also at the same point, but the slope is, it is perpendicular to tangent, right? Slope is what? Minus 2. So now it is y minus 2 is equals to minus 2 into x minus 2. Tangent and normal both are intersecting x-axis at P and Q. Okay. So we need to take on x-axis y is equals to 0. Okay. Okay. On x-axis y is equals to 0. So from this what is x? See, if y is 0, minus 2, 2, minus 4, and then send this to this side, minus 4 plus 2 is minus 2. So P coordinates are minus 2 comma 0. And what you say about Q? Normal is intersecting at Q. Normal is intersecting axis at Q. So use y is equal to 0 in the second equation now. If y is equals to 0 here, what will happen? Okay. Minus 2 and minus 2 gets cancelled. 0, this is 0, right? Okay. Minus 2, 1, and x is equals to 3. So 3 comma 0. Okay. And now we need to find out the we have point A as well point P as well point Q. We need to find out area of triangle PAQ. It is very clear that these 2 points are on x-axis. You may go with area formula or you may go with any simple logic. See, this is minus 2 comma 0 somewhere. This is 3 comma 0. Both are on x-axis, and we have A 2 comma 2 here. And for, see, this is the triangle for which we need to find the area. And if you sketch a perpendicular from A to the axis, its length is 2, because distance from a point to x-axis is always its y coordinate, which is 2. And what to say about this distance? This is minus 2 and that is 3. If you calculate this distance is simply 5. So this base length is 5 and this length is 2. Then area is half base into height, half 5 into 2, and our answer for this problem is 5 square units. Okay, that's the problem. So these are the solutions for JEE Mains July 2021 questions. Just 2 questions are available at present, and they are the solutions for those 2 questions. And I will come up with the more questions and solutions of JEE Mains July in some other videos. Do subscribe for the channel, like this video. Thank you.